Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back today with another 5 trades. 4 of the trades were a great way to trade. I'm using my HA trigger system. HA stands for Heiken Ashi. Made an error, just to let you know, on this first one right here. It was an error, I bought it, but even making an error, I was still able to close with a small profit. As you can clearly see, that the market is going down. From time to time you make errors, you click buy when sometimes you should be selling. But anyhow, right in here, it was a quick trade in and out with a very small profit of $73, less than 1 pip I got. Had some distractions around the house, and sometimes when you have distractions, you click on the wrong button. But anyhow, it still turned out to be a very small winner. And as you can see down at the bottom, I originally sold it. Let's drag and drop this up and see where I got in at. Right here. This is a much better trade. It's a great way to trade using the indicators at the top. With the bottom, everything is red. And the Heiken Ashi candles were red also. Should have got in right at this area, but I was late coming, just a little bit late coming to the computer. So got in at this cursor right here, did not go against me at all. And I ended up closing it out here, mainly because I was just happy, and happy with 28 pips. And 28 pips on the Euro Aussie paid $2,042. Okay, let's move on to this Pound Aussie pair. It's right here. Let's drag and drop it up to see where I got in at. This one here, I got tired of waiting, and it was sitting on this ADR low, and I made a decision just to close the trade as soon as they went a little bit positive. Should have waited a little bit longer, had the right idea, but this was more than 2 hours. Let's see, 3 hours sitting around waiting, and sometimes you just get tired of waiting. And I ended up with 4 pips, and 4 pips on the Pound Aussie paid $219. My goal every day is to get around 50 pips, and sometimes I close the trade, whereas if I would have hung on to it a little bit longer, I could have made considerably more than just 50 pips, as it continued to drop another 58 pips. But that's generally the way trading goes. Sometimes you just get impatient, and it's okay to close the trade and not worry about what you could have got. So let's try this Pound CAD here. Let's see what it looks like. Again, they're all a great way to trade, using the moving averages with the indicators down at the bottom. So on this Pound CAD right here, again, getting into the trade late. Would have been much better up here, as soon as the candles went from blue to red right in here. But as I said, I got to the computer a little bit late, and the pound was screaming to sell, so I took the trade. I knew it was just going to do another cycle. Should have got out right in here, but actually I stepped away from the computer as I went for a coffee and a quick bite, breakfast. By the time I came back, it was already showing blue candles. So realizing that I'm in a downtrend, and it should give another cycle, which is exactly what it did. And I ended up closing out the trade with 15 pips. And 15 pips on the Pound CAD paid $1,147. Let me just point out the fact that Heiken Ashi candles are a favorite of many traders, as it is very easy to trade. You're basically just selling red and buying blue and staying in the trade until it changes. So getting in at this point over here somewhere and closing out over here, that's roughly 60 pips. Whereas the Japanese candlesticks, they will easily go blue, red, and it gives a lot of traders they don't know what they should be doing. Whereas the Heikin Ashi, and this is an advanced Heikin Ashi custom indicator, which gives excellent buy and or sell signals. So let's move on to the last pair we're checking out here. It's the pound, it's the Euro New Zealand. Run a check on this. Another good example here. Pulling back to the moving averages, and as soon as it turns red, either here or here are entry points. Sometimes you don't get in at the perfect timing, as in my situation I'm monitoring 28 pairs, so by the time I see it, I take a look at the meter, and as you can see, the Euro and the New Zealand's at the top, and that's why it's still going down. But I close out the trade basically when I'm happy, and as soon as I get around 50 pips or more, I'm generally happy and done trading. Got in at this cursor, did go a little bit against me for about 14 pips, not a big deal, and I close it out with 18 pips, and 18 pips on the Euro New Zealand paid $1,236. So as far as pip totals go today, I ended up with 66 pips, and 66 pips paid $4,717. And looking at this trade, there is still nothing blue down here at the bottom, giving a signal that the down move is over. And I teach exactly how to trade using Heikin Ashi candles and how to stay in the trade for more pips within the training videos. And this trade is another good example of a great way to trade. So if your system is not producing, like my HA trigger system, suggest you get your hands on it, and to do so, all you have to do is check out this Word document right here. All the information is right in here, and there's more information right below this video in the description. Now my HA trigger system, I do charge $250 for it. It's my advanced Heikin Ashi trigger system, which has 3.5 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Now it comes with 4 MT4 templates, 9 custom indicators, and of course my favorite meter. I would not trade without a meter, and if you are losing trades, that's because you're not using a meter. A meter will point you in the proper direction of which trades you should be taking. So there's a lot of PDF books and a lot of Word documents. I threw that in as a bonus, and this is what you need. A lot of education to help you succeed at trading the markets. Now there's a lot of ways to trade, so I do teach a lot of ways. That's why there's 42 training videos, and I threw in 9 bonus videos. And as you can see, the trades today, they were a great way to trade. Gives the highest success rate. And once you follow the rules in the training videos, you really should find success also. Now in most of the videos, I give a lot of advanced training and tips and tricks. I also teach how to get near perfect timing entries, along with how to stay in the trade for more pips. As I just mentioned right here, nothing blue here, so it can still easily drop another 20-30 pips. I also teach how to trade right at the right hand edge, and this is where every trader, 95% of traders, have a problem. They don't know what to do right here at the right hand edge. I also teach how to trade higher time frames. Very easy to click on a few higher time frames to double check to make sure that you're going in the direction of the trend. Now I also teach how to trade the new and improved HA trigger version number 2, and also teach in many of the videos here. I teach and show many great trade setups. Now I also teach how to back test the HA trigger, also teach how to scan the market, teach how to trade all 3 sessions including this London close. Now I also teach how to trade pullbacks and reversals. Remember, a pullback is just when price comes back to the goal line, and if it breaks through and keeps going up, that is a reversal. Also teach how to trade the goal line, and there's always a lot of trading opportunities around the goal line. Now also teach how to trade the news, and also how to trade with a day job. So if you have any questions at all about my new HA trigger system, all you got to do is pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. If you live too far, you can send me an email. Here's my email address. Remember, there's an underscore here. I really do prefer Skype. I made it easy for you. All you got to do is click on this link. Even if you don't have Skype installed on your computer, you can use the web version, and through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session and answer your questions and show you more things on the HA trigger system. Now, over the course of many years, I've been building trigger systems, and all you got to do is click on this link right here and you'll see 28 screenshots. So that just about wraps up this video, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trade, good luck with your trading, and of course remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.